Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I introduce this agenda talk. The first of all is introduce myself. The second is what about Firebase. What is the services Crashlytics. The next topic is advantage, and we are going to the code with the Android Studio and Firebase dashboard. And finally, I will show the bonus plus. Well, my name is Kevin Morales. I'm from Ecuador. Today I will talk about with the Crashlytics for your Android apps. Well, first of all, I talking about my personal life. Um, the first is my family. I try to spend time in my free time with my family, with my daughter, coming soon my second daughter, my everything, my family, and try to practice sport mm, from this year 2023. I practice the paddle with my friends on weekends, and I'm entrepreneur. I see a problem and I look for a solution. I really like to resolve problems with the programming. Well, in my professional life, I am mobile developer for more than 7 years, focused on iOS and Android development. I like to learn and have a new challenge in the industry of technology. Actually, I a speaker inside the Google Developer Group in Guayaquil, inside Ecuador. Guayaquil is the second city large in Ecuador. And I have a startup here in my city called Menus. Menus is a gastronomic tourism platform. It is available in all stores, for example, in App Store, Play Store, and the web, menus.com. Oh, and forget, recently I started the podcast for the community grow in my city called Deep Locus. Okay, you can search in Instagram, on TikTok, Deep Locus. Okay, the main topic is Firebase. Firebase is a mobile and web application development platform developed by Google. Firebase offers various tools and services to help developers building high-quality apps quickly and efficiently. Okay, you can see many services with Firebase, such as real databases for real data and bases and Firestore, which is the same for different purposes to use your platform. Message it for to improve your apps with the push notifications, login for authentication, web hosting for your web pages, admin for advertising, and the topic more important this talk is Crashlytics. Okay, to detect issues or bugs or our apps. Okay, well you can build different apps such as a taxi apps and the e-commerce apps, food apps, and the banking apps with the Firebase. Firebase is a little backend with the improve your apps for Android or for iOS. Is really useful when you have an idea and you want to build a new app in different languages. Okay, so the topic Crashlytics is a mobile crash reporting and beta testing solution developed by Google as part of the Firebase. It helps developers identify priorities and fix stability issues in their mobile application. Now, we're going to the dashboard in Firebase to know the platform. Okay, first of all, we go into the code. I open the Android Studio. Let me be 1 second. Okay. When you start the app in Android Studio, you can first this view. Okay. You can class a main activity and the on create. I added this function is set up Crashlytics. This other function for server sample. Okay. Only you need to add this line. Okay. With this line, you active Crashlytics in Android Studio. When you import the framework Firebase Crashlytics in Android Studio, only you need to add this line. With this line, you set the Crashlytics and your project. Okay. I prepared the project sample to see the dashboard here, the dashboard in Crashlytics on Firebase. Okay, Crashlytics is in the column in the left inside analytics. No, inside compilation. I don't remember what. Okay, inside the launch and supervision is Crashlytics. This is Crashlytics for Android. Okay, I want to launch the app. For example, now is the sample app, the hello world, okay? But the first error sample function is commented, no? Okay. We go into the uncomment and return the launch, play. Oh, I have a crash with the app application, okay? In this moment, I go into the dashboard in Firebase. I try to reload data, and this check the issue. Force error sample in the class main activity. I limit the minimum size. Okay. You can see the class main activity force error example. Okay, and you can see the all statistics for the error and the line and the devices, the operating system, the date, for data with the is useful to fix the bug. Okay. Can you display? Let me use 1 second. Okay. Okay. This line 21. This line 21. This is the crash. Print ln inside test and the position 1 because this is a string array, only one position. This is position is 0. Okay. It's very simple. Set up Crashlytics in your project Android. Is more important when you have apps in production and detected bugs in several versions and builds when you team everything they upload. Okay, let me close the project and return the slides. Okay, this is the main code for implement in your project Android. Okay, you can this sample in my Medium articles in looking for Aquevino Morales. You can see all articles, but the problem is in Spanish because I try to improve growing the Spanish community only for now in Spanish. Okay, this is the link for the project Kevin Morales / Crashlytics Kotlin. You can download a project and try it in your future projects. Okay. Um, I will I will now the bonus plus. I would like to you learn the Jetpack Compose and Swift UI because it's the future that in this sample I will show how to build a splash screen with the little lines. Example, in these lines you need to apply only the text, the string, specific, the Jetpack Compose, and add the image. For example, this image is Jetpack Compose icon. Okay, this is very simple. They build the screens for Android apps, and in iOS is the same because when you need to build a table, only you need to add this line. Okay, list, insert the array or the data, and you need add the text. The text is the one line. Imagine, I'm sorry for the slide. Imagine, imagine you need a complexity cell is very difficult or very difficult with the time today with the UI kit. With the Swift UI is very simple and quick. The same for the Jetpack Compose. So much advantage for the future is that use Jetpack Compose of Swift UI to build the new projects. Okay, and I would like to end this quote: learn every day and you will be a new person because each day you learn wherever data in your knowledge, your knowledge for is important for the new person in the future. Okay. Okay, that's it. This is my talk, Kevin Morales. You can find in my social media. Scan me, please.
Thank you very much, Kevin. It was very helpful. May I ask you a question? So, Crashlytics is a very good tool, but is it possible to use it to catch, for example, native crashes that occurs in C++ code inside Android applications? Do you have experience working with it?
Yeah, I have experience using Crashlytics all in personal projects, but in my business projects, I use the platform Sentry. You know, Sentry is the same with the Crashlytics, but have a new features where detect the example the devices, only the line is more information to detect the bug. So I advance on for the new app when you start a new project is useful Crashlytics because it's free to start because Sentry is paid.
Okay, thank you. I will just wanted to add a bit that actually you can catch like native crashes. So Crashlytics is also like will work for this scenario. Yes, so it's a good point also. Yeah, thank you, Kevin.
Thank you, Ivan.